Hello traders, I am Ricky Gaspard and it is December the 3rd, 2023, and I'm a guy who trades from his home office. And I've been trading since 1990, and I'm also a ThinkScript coder. And I write my own scripts, I write my own scans, and I also teach traders how to invest and how to use these tools profitably. And they're not very hard, and this is going to be well, if you've watched me over the last few months, you've seen me create this volume spike indicator. You've seen me create this momentum indicator. You've seen me create quite a few tools. You've seen me create this volume V4, version 4 of the pullback strategy. You've seen me last week release these volume lines here. These are volumes. These are not momentum indicators. They're not delayed. They're live. So these are the buyers and these are the sellers. So everything's tied in together to make everything work profitable for you. So I've recently wrote a pullback scan. And we love playing pullbacks. We don't chase green candles when the stocks take off. We wait for the initial first run up. We wait for 2 or 3 red candles for profit takers. We draw support and resistance lines at those levels. And then we play the pullback, the second run up off of those red candles, and are very profitable at it. So it prompted me, instead of watching the chart and hoping for a pullback, I wrote a scan for the pullback, and this is finding all the stocks that are pulling back during market hours. So when the market starts at 6 a.m., you'll see a few stocks pop up here, but when it takes off, when the market opens at 8:30 Central Time, you'll see quite a few stocks pop up in here with this up signal. So when the market opens, it's very volatile, and a lot of stocks are popping up, and you don't know if you should chase them or not. Well, this scan is waiting for them to pull back, and when you get that first green candle after that pullback, you're going to get an up signal here. You're not going to get this many. Keep in mind, this is Sunday. The market's closed. It's giving false signals today. But you should have 2 or 3, maybe 4 or 5, depending on the condition of the market that day, of these upwards popping in, along with the volume spike, letting you know, hey, the stock ran up. It pulled back with 2 or 3 candles, and now it's fixing to run up again. And this up is the signal to, hey, take a look. Maybe this is the second run up where you can make some profit. And to let you know, we've had quite a bit of success with these pullback plays. If you attend our live streams, which are Monday through Friday, starting at 6 a.m. to 9:30 Central Standard Time, I'm there walking you through how to use these indicators, what they're doing, how they perform. And a lot of you are watching me draw the support and resistance levels on the stock. I show you where the entries are. And a lot of you are making great money with these indicators. It's something that you've never seen before. None of my indicators are history of the past. They may leave a trail, but we're only watching the very end of these indicators. For instance, I have a label up here that it's not showing currently, but it's watching this very candle. I have this label bar here. It's watching this very candle, not back here. It's watching over here. We have these indicators here. This is the 5 and the 13 EMA and the 34. And as soon as we get a crossover, we have these indicators popping in. There may be one coming here next for this green candle, and it's letting you know that this indicator over here is spiking. Right here, it's letting you know that it's spiking. You can see that green arrow right there. This is the beauty of it all. This is how it works for you. So we find the pullback, then the run up, then we find the pullback, then the run up, then we find the pullback. Of course, we don't hardly ever chance the third run up, which actually this would be the third run up because the first one was here and it ran up, then it pulled back, then it ran up, then it pulled back and it ran up. So that scan is finding these pullbacks for you. Prevents you from doing a lot of searching. It's going to list them right here, and we're going to always sort them by MOMO, which is momentum. And what this scan is doing is actually an indicator. It's watching all of your watch lists for you, all of your scans. All you have to do is bring your scans up here if you want to monitor it with these indicators. So this low number, this MOMO indicator is looking back 30 minutes for any stock that's moving. So if it's moving just a little, it's going to get a low score. If it's moving a lot, it's going to get a higher score. And this score can go all the way up to 100. So that's how little these are moving so far. But that's also how much they can move. You really almost can't miss. We have a very good success rate, profitability rate with these indicators. So if you haven't attended the live stream, you need to do that. I teach how to use these indicators. I don't necessarily teach you how to trade. I'll show you where the entries and the exits are. This is not a proof of how much money I make. It's to help you to see how much money you can make. So I'm putting out the tools out there for you of things that were working for me when everybody else was struggling. So if you haven't watched my YouTube videos, you can watch the birth of all of these indicators that have came together over the last 6 months, and it's actually one entire system. So we're going to have the stocks. I'll show you how to create the scans. We show you how to install these indicators. We have over 2,400 investors over on our Discord channel for you to join. Everybody's helping everybody. Most of them are making money. Some of them are still learning. Really highly encourage you to join our team. It's growing rapidly, and everybody's really, all I get since I started this, I get nothing but compliments. I'm not bragging on myself. I'm even shocked that everything is working so well. I mean, sometimes you can create something and don't know what you're creating, and all of a sudden, boom, you landed on the magic number. Well, that's what's happened here with this one little indicator, this volume spike. Once I figured this out, other indicators were born off of it. It's all live data. No relying on the history to repeat in the future, none of that kind of stuff. You're actually watching it happen as it's developing. Over on our YouTube channel, you'll find a bunch of videos as all of this stuff was being born over the last 6 months. Watch the videos. They're very important for you to pick up knowledge off of each and every one of them. They may be older, but they're very valuable and do contain some good key points. So watch the videos. Of course, you know the system. Comment on the videos. Like the videos. Let YouTube know what kind of a job I'm doing. So you'll find these indicators. You'll find this scan over on Discord. And to join our Discord, look down in the video description right below the YouTube video. Look for the word Discord and click on it. Join our Discord. Once you're over at Discord, accept the disclaimer so you'll see all the channels, and head over to Start Here. It'll let you know where everything's located, where you need to start. Watch our how-to videos if you don't know how to install these videos. And contact our support over in Discord if you have questions. So you're going to find this scan over in TOS Scans. And you're going to find this pullback indicator in TOS Scripts. This is not a scan, so I'm going to stick it over in scripts. Let me make sure we don't have anything to adjust here. We may have to. So once you install this pullback indicator, right-click on the name. Let me do that over again so you understand what I did. Right-click on the name and edit formula. You're going to get this window popping up. Just make sure that this box is checked. Include extended hours trading session. And it always stays on 1 minute. It's called pullback. So we look forward to having you join us. Thank you for watching this on a Sunday, but that's usually when I launch all new indicators and scripts. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, join our Discord, and as always, have a blessed Sunday. God bless.